So how long does a roof last? There's a lot of misconceptions out there about how long a roof does or doesn't last. Contrary to some myth, popular belief, shingle roof actually generally lasts as long as the manufacturer's warranty is for and what it says on the package, unless you have a storm, unless there's a hailstorm or a windstorm and it prematurely destroys the roof. But shingles, you hear them called 20-year, 25-year, 30-year, 40-year, 50-year shingles. And technology has come a long ways in like the last 10 or 15 years in the shingle industry. And so a lot of old school people say, well, shingle only lasts 20 years. But that's because in those times, those shingles were 20-year shingles, and they're not anymore because they've raised the bar on the technology that's in those shingles that are being made. So aside from shingles, then you've got metal roofs. And usually, even though the manufacturer warranty on metal roofs is usually only 20 or 25 years, they actually last 50 years to, even 100 years. We've got roofs around here that have lasted that long. And tile roofs, the same thing. They pretty easily last 100 years. And the thing with tile is that you can reuse the tile. It's usually the underlayment underneath the tile that goes bad and needs to be replaced. So even when the roof goes bad, you can actually tear it all off, put down new underlayment, and put the original tile back, except whatever cracks or breaks. Roof maintenance, you should have a roofing professional look at your roof at probably every 3 years is what I recommend, especially in Texas. We get super hot sun and heat on the roof and long periods of drought. And the roofers put sealant on a lot of areas on your roof, and that sealant doesn't last for forever and it needs to be maintained. And so you need to have that sealant replaced every 3 to 5 years. And that's shingle roofs, metal roofs, tile roofs, it's all of it. Also, if you have a lot of tree coverage or debris that blows in from anywhere, with that, depending on the pitch of your roof, you'll want to blow that off or clean it off, broom it off, that's not a word, 1 to 2 times a year, depending on how much of that you get. Because the leaves can actually create dams and force water to go up your hill. And very few roofs are designed to handle water that runs uphill, so you want to get that stopped.